Hi friends! Today we are going to practice the addition of two-digit numbers. What is a two-digit number? A number that has two positions, the ones and the tens. For example, number 15 or number 27 or number 62 or number 99. No more than two digits by now. You can try at the end, but let's go little by little. The materials you're going to need are your place value cards that you have in your Math Welcome pack and some blocks. You already have them also in your Math Welcome pack to print out. It's a printout. But you also can use, maybe you can use bins, pencils for the tens and post-it for the 100. Use your imagination or Google DAY base 10 blocks and you will find some ideas. And I'm going to use it to a random generator number to pick the numbers to add. Because in addition, it doesn't matter if the biggest number is greater, doesn't matter. I'm gonna start displaying my place value cards. The green ones are the ones. The ones are one digit, as you see. Then, and take your time, no rush, goes the tens. Just displaying the place value cards, you can see how the numbers work. This is a 2 in the position of the ones. This is a 2, the value of a 2 in the position of the tens. That actually is not a 2, it's a 20. That is hidden, for example, in 22. If you did the center forming numbers, I don't remember exactly how I call it, but you could see. If you didn't, maybe you can try to do the center first and then make the additions. Now, these are the ones, these are the tens, and these are the hundreds. Don't be scared about the hundreds. The numbers works always in the same way, so. And now, we are going to display the thousands. The same. A bigger number. Oh, I don't have room. But it doesn't matter. It's gonna be fine because it's gonna be pretty much the same. Probably we are not going to use the thousands today because we are adding just two-digit numbers. But just in case, display them so you can have an idea of what can happen with bigger numbers. And maybe you can try to add bigger numbers and probably you can use the 1,000 cards. Okay, with these cards we are going to write the expanded form of the numbers. Let's talk about what the expanded form is. I'm gonna pick one number. 18 plus 9. Two-digit number, and this is just a one-digit number. Maybe you can do this addition mentally. If you can do it mentally, great. If not, let's use the cards and the blocks. 18. It takes more time, but it's much better to understand. When you have practiced with that a few times and you really understand how is the process, you can do the additions so fast. And right now maybe it takes longer, but this time is gold. So just take your time, no rush. Use the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 18. Now I have 18. 10 plus 8, and now 9. One, two, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and I have no tens here. It's just a one-digit number, so I don't have any tens. I need to add. Add means that we need to join both numbers. Like in a machine. I put 18 and I put 9. How many I'm gonna have? Okay. Remember, I always need to start by the ones, adding the ones or subtracting the ones, working with the ones. At least if you are working like that. Maybe mentally you can use different strategies and it's fine. But, a ver. 9 plus 8. Let's think about one strategy to add 9 plus 10. Don't use your fingers. Don't use counters. Well, we have counters here. But let's start finding strategies. The strategies we are talking about them in the number talks in our Zooms. So please find strategies to add 9 plus 8 or 8 plus 9. One that I can use here to make things easier is to try to make a 10. Which number is closer to 10? 8 or 9? 9, yeah, 9 is super close to 10. How many more I need to arrive to 10 if I have 9? Yeah, yes, one more and I have a 10. Where I can find the other one I need? From the 8 in this case, so 9 plus 1 makes 10. So I'm gonna trade all these ones for one of these. And now, let's do it like that. I don't have 8 anymore. I need to count how much I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 because I had 8, but I took away 1. And here I don't have 10 anymore. I have, how many? 27. So 18 plus 9 makes 27. Ta-da! Well done. Let's do another one. A new additions. Put your cards back in the right place, the blocks, and let's go. 34 plus 17. Ooh, now it's getting more complicated. 2-digit number and another 2-digit number. Let's see how much it's going to be. I know that I'm going to have a 2-digit number here. At least 2-digit, not. A ver. 34 is the first number. So, expanded form of 34 is 30 and 4. 34? 30 plus 4. Now makes 34 with blocks. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And now let's go with 17. 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. 17, right? 10 plus 7. And with blocks is, I'm gonna put it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And please, if you are working with your parent, ask your parents to watch this video, please. Because when we were when we were children, we used to add the numbers in different ways. In a different way, like vertically. But right now, teachers know that it's not the best way to do it. And we try to use the expanded form and the blocks and mental strategies. So if they watch the video with you, they are going to be able to help you in a better way. Okay? Like we do in the classroom. So we can be more consistent at home and at school. A ver, where I need to start? 30 plus 10 or 4 plus 7? The ones or the tens? Exactly, I need to start by the ones because they are the smallest and we need to take care of them first. So, 4 plus 7. Again, Don't use your fingers. Let's think about what strategy can we choose that makes things easier here. At least for me, I think it's like the same one that before, trying to make a 10. If I have 4 and 7, which number is closer to 10? Good job, 7. So 7 is the number that I'm going to use to make a 10. A ver, let's see. If I have 7, how many more I need to arrive to 10? 8, 9, and 10. I need to grab 3 from the other number. 3. So I'm gonna trade this 10 once for 110 to make things easier for me. And I will put it here. And now, I don't have 4 or 7 ones, so put the cards back. How many ones I have? Yes, 1. And now let's add the 10s. 30 plus 10 plus another 10. Let's put all together. 10, 20, 40, no, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. I'm singing a song that you're gonna have this week in Canvas, so please don't miss it. They are on the top of the day, each day. 51. Ta-da! 51. 51. So 34 plus 17 makes 51. Let's do a third one. You need to practice tons of times. Tons of times, guys. At least do 6, 7 addition at home each day. You have to do the center twice a week. So at least do 6 additions the first day and 6 additions the other way. And if you have time one day and you are bored at home, keep practicing. Display your cards, use your blocks, use your random generator number or whatever, and continue with the addition. I'm gonna pick another number. 78 plus 25. Uh-oh. 2-digit number and another 2-digit number. Let's see what happened. 78, 78, sorry. 78, the expanded form is 70 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 tens, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then 25. 25. The numbers talk to us. They told us the expanded form. 25. 25. 20 plus 5. 2 tens. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Where do I need to start? The ones or the tens? Yes, the ones, the smallest. So 8 plus 5. Don't use your fingers. 8 plus 5. I think, well, you can use different strategies. I'm gonna use the one that I have been using. That is to make a 10. Which one is closer to 10? 8 or 5? Yeah, 8. So now how many more I need if I have 8 to arrive to a 10? Okay. Here I have 5. And here I have 3. This is like a 10 frame. How many more I need? 2 more. So I'm gonna grab these 2 from the other number. And I'm gonna trade these 10 ones for 110 and put it with their friends because now it doesn't belong here anymore. And now I have just 3, so put these cards back. And the ones are done. It's gonna be a 3. You can also write the ones here. And now 70, 20. Let's put these card backs and see how many do we have here. I had 70. Bueno, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my gosh, a ver. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, this is 100. You can check it. It's the same, exactly the same size. So in this case, I need to trade these 10 tens for one of these. What's the value of this? 100. So what's going to be my answer? Surprisingly, I don't have just a 2-digit number here. I have a 3-digit number that I created. I have 103. Remember, the ones always go this side. So this is 103. 78 plus 25, 103. If you need to, you can watch the video how many times do you need to, ¿vale? Okay? I know it's tricky, but you are gonna be doing great if you use these expanded form cards, your blocks, and you can see and touch and check that how everything works, okay? Guys, have fun. Remember to 6 additions first day, 6 additions the second one, and keep practicing on your math. Mwah! Thanks for watching.